Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a battery widget to your home screen on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and you want to select the setting gear button. And then you want to go down and select the battery tile. There should be an entry in here. This is battery widget. Add to home screen to see battery levels for your devices. Go ahead and select that. And then if you want to turn that on, you could just select add to home screen, and then it would be added to the home screen. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.